Hey everybody, happy Friday. Hey Terrell, happy Friday, brother.
Hi, Steve. Happy Friday to you, too. I'll be knocking a couple back in a minute here. As soon as I get done filming this engine rebuild video on this Honda GX 160, doing the valves and putting a new set of rings in.
Woo, well, good luck with that. Have fun. I know how you guys down at the Grass Rats Garage love the old stuff. This is what I'm going to try to do today. This old antique outboard right here, I'm going to try to get this running. No, I will get this running. Cross your fingers. Let's give it a shot. Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. So yeah, I got this antique old outboard here from a garage sale. I don't even really know yet what this thing is. Thanks to some of you who chimed in when I put my community post out, my community tab button there, saying, what is this? Some of you came up with some awesome ideas saying it's a game fisher, it's a seagull, it's many different names. I think I have come to the conclusion now that it is actually a game fisher sold by Sears, but obviously it's missing some parts here. The whole top shroud that covers this has an integrated fuel tank on it. So right now, there is no fuel tank on this. So before I go start sourcing out parts that are missing on this, I just need to know if this thing is going to run before I start wasting any money, right? So I just got this Honda fuel tank right here, put a line on there, gravity feed. That's what I'm going to use to just see if this thing runs. Couple notes on this. This is a direct drive, what's called direct drive. When you pull that starter rope, look at the prop. The prop turns. There's no clutch in here. A lot of outboards out there aren't direct drive. You have to rev it up to engage the clutch before the prop starts turning, much like a chainsaw or a weed eater. This is direct drive. Also notable on this one, there's no water pump in it. There's no impeller. You know what that means? We get to go start this up outside. We don't even need to dunk it into a bucket of water. It's air cooled. It's a weed eater engine pretty much on there. So I have my fuel tank right there. I just got some chainsaw gas, some weed eater gas in there, 40-to-1 mix. And we're going to try it so we can troubleshoot this and see. A couple preliminary checks that I've done. I took the spark plug out to see if it has spark. Yes, it has great spark. I still don't know. Oh, and when I pull that rope, you know, it feels like it's got really good compression too. So I really feel like it's going to be a carburetor problem on this. And it might work and it might not. There are no markings, no numbers at all on this little outboard, except for the top sticker. See that top sticker right there? It clearly says on there that it was made by Sears Roebuck and Company, Simpson Sears Limited. It also says on there it has points in it, so I was really happy that it had spark. I don't have to worry about the points on this thing. The only other thing I have to say about this before we go try it is when I bought it at the garage sale, there was no starter spring in this. It was gone. Somebody had taken it out. So yeah, good luck sourcing a starter spring for something this old. I don't know, is this thing 50 years old? Is it 40 years old? I don't know. I can't figure it out. I can't find it on the internet. So all I did, I went and got this starter spring right here. It's a Honda. Fits GX 160s, GCV 160s. It's the same starter spring. That popped right into that starter like it was meant to be there. It was perfect, and you'll see that it works actually perfectly. It springs back in. All right, without further ado, let's go hook that fuel tank up outside and let's try this and see if it works. Let's go. All right, we're all set up here now. I got this little gravity feed, so I just got to hold this up a little bit and get this gas to drain in, fill that carburetor bowl up. That should be good. Choke, that's open, that's choke right there. On-off switch is good, it always stays on. All right, let's see what happens.
What are you doing, Steve?
I'm trying to start this outboard.
Why don't you try turning the gas on?
Whatever. You mean it's supposed to be this way?
Yes.
I can neither confirm nor deny that the fuel was shut off. This better not start. You do realize I'm deleting and editing this whole piece out, right? Wow! That helped. Well, that kind of sucks. Yeah, so then that figures. Yet again, stupid outboard starts and runs absolutely perfectly. I can't even show you guys how to fix anything on that. Starter spring was just too easy. Well, you know what? Maybe that had something to do with me having a little help from my buddy Stella right here. Stella, better known as the lawnmower lady on YouTube. Check her out. Apparently that's it for me today. If you could find it in your hearts to give me a thumbs up button on this one, that would be more than appreciated. Till the next time, guys and girls, check this video out right here next. As usual, you're going to like that one too. And until the next time, Steve out.